Hello guys, good day. Another tutorial video how to fill up your tax info sa YouTube channel mo, specifically sa Google AdSense. So, mag-reapply ng monetization guys dahil yung mama ko late na na-verify yung identification niya. So, before that, we need to fill up the tax information guys, which is dapat ginawa ko na to noon, but because of busy schedule ngayon lang siya na fill upan. So keep on watching guys and follow the step-by-step tutorial video. So let's begin guys. So hope you will watch until the end dahil kailangan insakto or correct yung mga finifill upan natin sa form ng tax doon sa Google AdSense. So, all you need to do is pasok tayo sa Google AdSense natin na account. So, pasok ka lang sa Gmail na ginagamit mo sa YouTube mo. And then you can click sa notification doon sa upper right. Mayroon doon info about tax. Pero pwede mo rin yung i-check doon sa left side. Look for payments. And then you click payment info. So wait to download guys. So dito na tayo sa payments. So click manage settings doon sa baba. And then ito na guys, payments account. Then so hanapin lang natin, scroll down sa baba itong United States tax info. So click yung pencil sa right side and click manage tax info. After that guys, ito na, you can read. So i-click lang natin yung add tax info. Tapos click start form. So mag-login tayo ulit sa ginagamit natin na Gmail sa ating YouTube channel. So, pasok lang natin yung password natin. Click next. So, ito na guys, yung payments account. United States tax info, click individual, then click next. Then, are you a citizen of the United States? Click no. Then, click next. Then, select W-8 tax form type. So, pipiliin natin ang W-8 Ben. Then, click start W-8 Ben form. So, hintayin lang natin guys na mag-proceed sa next form, next sheet. So, ito guys, click natin. Select country or region of citizenship. So, lagay natin Philippines. So, importante guys sa tax identity. So, itong foreign TIN, ipasok lang natin yung TIN number natin dito sa Pinas. So, kailangan, dapat correct yung pinapasok natin na info dito. Kasi, sine-check nila kung tama or truthfully na pinipil upan mo yung form mo. So, after that, click next. So, fill up lang natin yung ating local Philippine address. So, after ma-type mo guys, kung the same naman yung mailing address, click mo lang yung next. If it is same with your residence address. So, this time guys, are you claiming reduced rate of the withholding under a tax treaty? Click yes. And click na naman tayo ng ating country, Philippines. So, click lang natin yung box na resident the following country. And after that, special rates and conditions. So, sumasahod lang naman tayo sa AdSense. So, click lang natin yung ikalawang choices, services, or other business income such as AdSense. And after that, click natin tong article and paragraph. Click natin article 8 and paragraph 1. So, doon sa withholding tax, so 0% reduced treaty. So, after that, pag ni-click mo yan, so nagpa-prompt pag hindi siya na-check yung box. So, you need to check the box as a tax resident of the country. So, next, click mo lang yung button. So, wait for it to download. Next, guys. So, check mo yung mga finill-upan mo previously. So, next is activities and services performed in US. Has the individual identified for tax identity? So, click no. Then, i-click lang natin yung box that I certify the services provided to Google or to affiliate will be performed solely outside the US. So, basahin lang natin yan guys. Then, click next. And after that guys, click natin tong box na naman. Tax reporting. So, paperless tayo para mabilisan. Kasi yung post-mail, matagal siya guys. So, paperless lang yung pipiliin natin. And after that, you click the bottom next. And ito guys, yung finill-upan nating form. Click mo lang yan. And i-double check mo yung mga information mo kung tama ang ilagay mo. Na same din sa ID na gamit mo for verification. Dapat magtugma ito guys. So yan lang guys. Very simple yung kanilang tax information form sa US. So, after that, guys, if correct na lahat ng information, click the box and click next. Then, certify and sign. So, click lang natin tong under penalties of perjury, declare that. So, click natin yung box. Ibig sabihin nito ay you're under oath na lahat ng iyong finill up na information is correct and true. So, click mo lang yung box na I certify under penalties of perjury. So, check mo lang yung box if unchanged status affidavit. Pero sa atin guys, hindi na yan applicable. So, dito tayo sa your signature. Yes, I am the beneficial owner. Name in the tax identity section. Then, naka-default na yung pangalan natin guys. Sa previous na form, kailangan mong i-type yan. But now, naka-default. Then, click submit. So, ganun lang guys. So, simple lang ang pag-fill up ng tax info, US tax info ng Google AdSense. Pero dapat mong sundan ng tama para ma-approve ka in few seconds. So, see guys, approve na ang ating tax information. So, important ito guys para maliit lang ang makukuhang tax sa ating future na monthly na sahod. So, ganun lang guys. So, simple. So, makikita mo yung mga answers mo sa iyong tax form. So, guys, check natin yung ating payments. So, maliit pa lang yung sa mama ko, pero at least going there. So, na-verified na yung identification niya. At saka yung sa payments info. So, dyan guys, makikita natin na-verify niya yung account ng mama ko. And makikita mo yung sahod niya. And then, doon sa baba, there you can see how you get paid. So, kailangan i-set up mo yan sa bank na mas mabilis ipasok yung sahod mo. So, I have a video of that guys. Better watch it. So, thank you guys for watching until the end. And hope to see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Have a blessed day. Bye.